So right now, you guys see the pause symbol. Remember, pause. Go back, take any notes you need to, and then go on with the rest of the presentation. It's only like 4 minutes, like 2 seconds long. But the objective: the student will be able to solve exponents. This will be done through a presentation and classroom activity. So you guys should know classroom activity is what's going on right now. No, wait, not the classroom activity. The presentation's on what's going on right now, and the classroom activity is what's going on tomorrow. So, or if it's on the weekend, Monday. So right now, it's going to kind of go through exponents. Exponents are not hard. That's why this video is so short. Exponents are rather simple. It's stuff you know with the new things. So exponents. In a second, I'm going to show you what exponents actually are. So we're going to wait a second for it to go to the next part of the presentation. Where are you? There you go. 5 to the second power, or 5 to the second. So exponent right over there. 5, that little number 2 is going to be your exponent. So 5 in a second. In other words, I keep saying to second power in a minute. Another way you can say is aka, also known as the second power. So 5 to the second power. So here's a little clip to kind of remind you guys of the second power.
By the power of Grayskull.
So if you didn't know who that is, that's He-Man, but we'll talk about that later. And yes, He-Man. I'm not He-Man, but 5 times 2. All it's saying is 5 to the second power is 5 times 2. So 5 times 2 equals 25. So 5 to the second power would be 25. That's it. Nothing big and fancy and special to it. You just take that little 5, whatever the number is, like this one, 2 to the fourth power. It's going to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So 2 4 times. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Wait, I think I said 4 times. I probably said 4 twos, but basically you're taking 2 4 times. Then we can go down and say 4 times 4 equals blah blah, and keep going from there. So 4 times 4, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 times 2 is 4, so answer is going to be 16. So that is how you do it. It's not too hard, not too complicated. You're just going to basically take the front number and multiply it how many times the little top number says. So here's the pause part. If you need to go back and rewatch any of that, go back and rewatch it. Otherwise, you're going to have your little check for understanding questions coming up right now. So where are they? Here they are. You guys have 6 of them. Please do all 6. This shouldn't take you forever. There's only 6 questions right there. Do all 6. You might hear some like little pitter-patter of dogs in the background. Well, it's quiet. So do it and then pause it and then unpause it and you'll see the answers. Okay, so here are the answers. Hopefully you got them all right. Remember, so for that first one, it's 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 times 4 times. So 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So recap. You might hear me exponents. A lot of people say to the whatever power. So it'd be like 3 to the fourth power. It would be 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Or 2 to the third power would be 2 times 2 times 2. So it's not that hard. That's why I kept the presentation short and sweet for you guys. So hopefully you guys understood it. If you didn't, that's why we do the check for understanding activities in class tomorrow. But the objective, the student will be able to solve exponents. This will be done through presentation and classroom activity. Nice, short, and sweet, so enjoy the rest of your guys' night.